Welcome to TentBox Takeover!
It's about bringing people together, showing people what the TentBox community is like, and just having a good time, really.
Making friends, you know, them friends, hopefully they're going to be friends for life.
So is this your first takeover?
It really isn't, no. I've been to quite a few, and it's meant I've seen parts of the country that I wouldn't have otherwise.
This is my first takeover, yes. I have camped before, but this is the first meet-up I've had, and it's very fun.
First time wild camping, so it's all been a bit different this weekend, but loving every minute of it.
Yeah.
Had lots of fun so far.
Some of these people may not have ever seen a TentBox before, so they're obviously going to see what goes on, the community, how big the community is, and think, well, I want some of that.
It's very beautiful scenery. The views are really good. A lot of people have said they want to park where the views are, and yeah, I think people just enjoy waking up to the sunrise and going to sleep at the sunsets.
I come over the top of that hill and I was like, wow, why didn't I do this sooner?
What's been your highlight?
I went off-roading today. That was my highlight. We got a bit muddy. Didn't get stuck, luckily, so that was fun. How did Brian? Brian did really well. He was the best one.
Who's Brian?
Brian's my car.
Does your TentBox have a name as well?
He's called Trevor. We got Brian and Trevor. They're a little couple.
How do you find putting up the TentBox? I assume this on your own.
I think I blinked and my 16-year-old daughter had it up this time, so very, very easy.
I like the fact that I think I could do it on my own. I don't think a normal tent with a big dog, I think I'd give up and have a little cry.
I'm new to this, so the setup's not great. We're still working on it, but I love it so much. So much fun.
What's the favourite thing about TentBox?
It's now created a bit of an obsession. Everything I've got is now black and orange, so thank you, TentBox.
I'm probably excited about the campfire meet that's happening on Saturday night, just to bring everyone together, learn a bit more about each other, and probably make friends for life, to be honest.
I used to be a police officer. I got diagnosed with post-traumatic stress disorder, and yeah, I'd say it saved my life. It's given me the freedom to just be able to go wherever I want, whenever I want. When I'm struggling a little bit, I can just up and leave and get back out in nature and enjoy myself and do things that are good for me and not other people. So it's fab. And the community has been amazing. We really, really have made friends for life.
What would you say to people who haven't been to a takeover before?
Oh, do it. Even if you're scared or you don't know your setup, just go. There's so many people that can help you. Do it. Don't think twice about it. You'll make so many friends and so many memories. Definitely do it. Just go.
Oh, defo come. I mean, do you know what I need? TentBox buddies now, don't I? So it's nice. I have been mingling a little bit, so that's been lovely.
Do it. Everyone's so friendly.
Don't think about it. I did. I thought about it a lot, and don't think about it, just do it.